Still stacking silver. Dealers say you should have gone into this. And they're not talking about gold. I just got back from my local dealer and he explained to me that yes, of course, if you got into gold 1 year ago, when a year from now, gold was hovering at 2,300 an ounce. And remember, then we were confident that it was going to drop down, go back below 2,000. Well, at the time of this recording, gold is just touching 3,400 an ounce. That's at least a 43% increase. A 43% increase, while silver, year to date, is actually decreasing. That's no newsflash for you and I as silver stackers. It's been a long-term performance lag this whole year for silver. But what my local dealer is showing me is no, not just gold. Of course, yes, clearly gold has been performing. What he's showing me is this. Oh, first, if you're interested in silver, click that link in the description. Money Metals is sponsoring this channel. They're holding this contest where they give away 20 American Silver Eagles. Every month they hold this contest. It's a lot of fun. It's free. You should be the next winner on that list, taking home that silver. Now, check this out. This is what my dealer was showing me. If you picked up a few 1950 Franklin half dollars, MS64, FBL, that means full belt line. You don't even need to know all these specifics about rare coins. This is a quite common coin actually, because a year ago, back in May 2024, these coins were selling, these silver coins were selling on the low end $50 and on the high end $100. And now, year to date, they've increased by approximately 25 on the low end, $25 on the low end to $100 on the high end. So this is what dealers look at. And the way we stack silver rounds, 5-ounce bars, 10-ounce bars, they pick up several of these 1950 Franklin halves and they hold on to them. And look at how they've increased, blown away the value of silver, completely blown it away. I'm not giving you financial advice. I'm just showing you the success of what dealers are doing. And you and I could absolutely do this. Look at this. He was also showing me this one. These are, and I love this. This is the design that the American Silver Eagle copied this design. The 1943 Walking Liberty half, right? And this is in MS63. Again, a year ago, in May 2024, these were selling at on the low end $60, high end $75, and now, a year later, they're selling for $90 on the low end and $125 on the high end. So this is what dealers are looking at, while you and I are just frustrated about the price of silver. I'm not giving you financial advice about what to buy or anything. I'm just showing you, and my dealer's showing me, that these are silver coins on the low end that are completely within reach. And if we had gone in, picked up a few a year ago, look at the performance that they've had. And you could also, I'm not going to go deep in the weeds in this, but you could check out the PCGS price guide, and you could go back last 5 years, last 10 years on common half dollars like this. Franklin half, Walking Liberty half. You know, they're not junk silver. That's the difference. Junk silver just has no numismatic value at all, nothing. It's just junk silver. But these are the type of silver that we could pick up and see a strong performance. I think it's really smart. And after this year of silver just hovering, barely moving, still not moving, even at the time of this recording, still not moving, I'm as frustrated as you are. So I like to broaden my horizons and check this out. Well, get your own silver. Click that link. Thank you, Money Metals Exchange, for sponsoring this channel. This is a great contest. 20 American Silver Eagles are giving it away every month. You should be the next winner. Click that link. It's free. Get in on it. And I'll see you in the next video.